Hey guys, today we're going to be making an Animal Crossing video with a 2-player. Let's go to Call Resident. Please select the resident you want to play with. So this is my brother Phoenix. So Phoenix, you get the blue controller. I want the red one.
I want the blue one.
Okay. You gotta press both these because yeah, right now we're gonna wait for it. I might need to put the camera down so I can get ready.
We're going to be a 2-player anyway. Need the mouth.
Hold on. Hold on. I haven't got it connected the right way. Guess I can use. Hold on. Pick residence again. Something happened. Wish I can switch controllers. Hold on, guys. Something happened. We are not going to end the video because, yeah. We are just going to wait. Right, Phoenix?
Yeah.
So, yeah, Phoenix, make sure you do not press it this time because I want to be the red controller.
Oh, me.
Make some farting noises. Phoenix, I need to see your entire face. Guys, Prime Video. Where'd you find those keys at? You so rich. Guys, we might need to make this video look a little cool, so yeah. You really want to? He's gonna go lock our father and mother's door, so yeah. Okay guys, it's connecting. We're gonna see about this. Okay, so this is my controller right here. This is Phoenix's. Hold on, let me get. There you go. Come on, Phoenix. You might want to set the camera up. Hey, Mommy. Hold on. Hold on. We might need to set this camera up somewhere so we can see. We might get to play it over here. Guys, if you can't see, it's probably because of the camera. It's not really my fault, so yeah. Come on, Phoenix. Okay, Phoenix, we're gonna play 2-player. Making a video. We want this video to be cool, guys, so you might not get to see the camera. Sorry. Shake it. I wanna be the leader.
I'll be the leader.
Here, Phoenix. Wish there was a stand. Like a stand.
Stop it!
Shake yours. Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Mommy.
Making an Animal Crossing video.
Yeah, Animal Crossing video. They're right there. They're right there, man.
Phoenix,
Get my neck.
do you love me?
Yeah, I love my butt.
Oh, that's so frightful.
Bobby. That's so Bobby.
Shake yours. What the? Shaking? Stop shaking. Stop shaking. Now I'm gonna talk to Dizzy. You guys, here's Dizzy and Phoenix. Okay, that was my bad. Okay. Dizzy. Phoebe is gonna move out tomorrow. So we just. His Nana. He's so impressed with Grandma's doll. Hey guys, it's the end. Bye.